In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a task in ClickUp. We're starting from your home workspace. From here, go to the task that you want to assign. This is the first thing you need to do, because assignment always begins with locating the correct task. If you have several tasks in your workspace, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the right one before moving forward. Once you're in the right area, choose the task that you want to assign. You may see a list of tasks, so simply click on the one you want to work with. This opens up the task options you need and makes it easier to update ownership. It's a simple step, but it's important because assigning the wrong task can create confusion for your team. Next, look for the Assignee icon on that target task and click it. This is the control that lets you choose who will be responsible for the task. In ClickUp, the Assignee field is what connects a task to a person, so this is the key step in making sure the work is clearly owned by someone. After clicking the Assignee icon, choose the person or people who will be the assignee. Depending on how your workspace is set up, you may be able to assign the task to one person or multiple people. Just select the appropriate team member from the list. Be sure to choose carefully so the task goes to the right person and they can see it in their workload. Once you've selected the assignee, the task is now assigned. You should be able to see that update reflected right on the task, which confirms that the assignment was successful. This is a helpful visual check, especially if you're updating several tasks in a row. Now, if you don't see the assignee column in your current view, don't worry. You can simply open the task itself and set the assignee from inside the task details. This is a useful workaround when the column is hidden or when you're working in a layout that doesn't show assignment options directly in the list view. The result is the same. You're still assigning the task, just from inside the task window instead of from the task list. And that's it. That's how to assign a task in ClickUp. It's a quick process, but it makes a big difference in keeping work organized and making sure everyone knows what they're responsible for. Thanks for watching.